How you doing? Welcome to my kitchen. Ratatouille is a vegetable sauté typical from the south of France, and it always includes zucchini, eggplant, and tomatoes with many variables. But this is how I do it. To peel your tomatoes, throw them in boiling water for about a minute and then immediately cool them down with cold water. This way they peel right off. Add some olive oil to your hot pan and we're going to saute all our ingredients. And start with your diced onion and chopped garlic. Add salt and pepper. Add your diced eggplant. And add your diced zucchini. And salt as you go. At this point, throw in your diced tomatoes. Chop oregano. And the Calamata Olives cut in half. And that's it. Cover and simmer for a couple of minutes and it's ready to serve. My ratatouille will be a great accompaniment for my pork milanese. And don't forget to sprinkle some Parmigiano Reggiano. Ratatouille is as easy as it is delicious. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.